Welcome to Simple Paper Aircraft. Today we show you how to make a flapping paper airplane, a Stingray. To make the Stingray, you need a printing paper. You can use US letter size 8.5 by 11 inches, or you can use A4 paper. So first step, fold the paper in half this way. Second step, start from this edge, fold to the center crease. Okay, then you repeat the same step for the other side. Okay. And then I will start from the tip here. I fold to the edge of this layer, okay, and I use the center crease as a reference. Okay, I do not press it so hard because I just need a crease. Okay, then I repeat the same step, but I just fold it to the crease we just make. And then I will use this edge as a reference, and I just fold this part in. Okay, and then we'll fold this part out. We'll use the point here and the corner here as a reference. Okay. And then repeat the same step for the other side. For this one in. Okay, let's just fold out. So this is what we have so far. Okay, next step, I just fold this part down. Okay, and then when I fold out, I'll use this edge and this edge as a reference. So just fold it down. Fold it like this. Okay. And then I can use the crease here. When the crease here match this edge and this edge, I will stop. Next step. For this edge, I just fold this part in a little bit. As you can see how I do here, I just estimate this. The side can be bigger, can be smaller, but this side is good. And then repeat the same step for the other side. See, just eyeball it. You should have this side even. And I do one more step. Start from the corner here. Just fold it in. Just eyeball it. Doesn't need to be like 100% correct. It doesn't need to be 100% even. Okay. Then fold the paper in half. Okay. Next step, we need to make the wings. So I use the edge here as a reference. Just fold it down. To let you know that the top here is really hard, so just curve it in slowly. And then repeat the same step for the other side. Okay. Okay. The Stingray is almost done, but you still have some steps to do. I will curve the wing up. Okay, make sure that you need to curve it up. Okay. Then you repeat the same step for the other wing, curve it up. Okay, So So this is done now. If you do it correctly and successfully, it does a few flaps when it's flying. And if you think this paper airplane is awesome, please like and subscribe. If you don't think so, leave a comment or we improve the next video. Thank you. Alright, so now we'll show you how to throw the Stingray. So hold the Stingray right here. Okay, then throw it up to 30 degrees. Try it one more time. This time we throw it at about 30 degrees. Alright. This is how it fly. Okay, and if it doesn't fly, you should curve the wing up a little bit, but not too much. As you can see, what I have here is not too curved.